Hey guys, welcome to Technology Shop. This is the new video of pattern printing, and here we are going to discuss all our previous pattern which we have seen in our previous video. So this video is a kind of revision to know similarity and differences in between all pattern which we have already discussed. Before starting, I would like to say if you are new to this channel, then please do click on subscribe button to get notification of my new videos. So let's start guys. Okay, so till now we have already discussed all these pattern in our previous video. So here there is various similarities in between these pattern, or in other word we can say by doing minor changes we can get this pattern here. Let's see how it can be possible. First of all, we can see here number of rows and number of columns are same, that is 5. Means the basic information which is number of outer loop and number of inner loop runs which we can get from here, and we will discuss the third basic information what to print. For example, here number of rows are 5, means our outer loop will run 5 times for all pattern. Inner loop column are also 5, so inner loop will run 5 times for all pattern. Now let's see how this pattern will print. Let's see the first pattern. Here we are printing the asterisk and how our code will look like. For I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to 5, I plus plus, this will be our outer loop. The inner loop will look like for j is equal to 1, j is less than equal to 5, j plus plus. So we will write our inner loop and outer loop like this. Okay, outer loop is running 5 times and inner loop is also running 5 times. And what we are going to print here? A symbol, that is asterisk. Okay, so we will print asterisk here. That's it. So this code will print this particular pattern here. Okay, now we can see here in the second pattern number of columns and number of rows are same as of first pattern. So we will copy our previous pattern outer loop and inner loop code here. Okay, now what we have to print here? Here we can see value is printing like 5 times 1, 5 times 2 and so on. We already know if any particular row where we are getting constant value, like in the first row we have 1 1 1 1 and then in second row 5 times 2 and so on. So this type of value we can print here with the help of outer loop variable. Okay, so if we can change asterisk symbol with our outer loop variable, that is I, we can get this type of pattern. And we are printing this pattern on which basis? Yes, correct, with the help of outer loop variable. So our outer loop will get initialized from 1 and it will run till 5. Here with inner loop there is no such boundation, it need to run 5 times. Either it will run from 1 to 5 or 5 to 1 or 10 to 14. It will have no impact on this because this pattern depends on outer loop variable, not inner loop variable, and work of inner loop variable is to run 5 times. Now let's see third pattern here. Number of column and number of rows are again same as of previous pattern. So we will copy previous pattern outer loop and inner loop code here. Let's try to find out here how many changes we need to require to make this pattern. Outer loop is running 5 times, no change required. Inner loop is also running 5 times, no change required. Now see what value is printing here. 1 2 3 4 and 5 in the first row, then 1 2 3 4 5 in the second row and so on. So values are changing here column wise, and we already discussed in earlier video that this type of value we can get from inner loop variable. So what we will print here? Yes, inner loop variable, that is j, and we will get our required pattern. Here what we need to remember, the inner loop condition will not change because our printing value starts from 1 to 5 and it is changing column wise. If this pattern starts from 3 to 7, then we will initialize our inner variable j to 3. We don't have any impact of outer loop because this pattern doesn't depend on outer loop, and we don't care from which value to which value it will run. Either it will run from 1 to 5, 5 to 1, 11 to 15, or any 5 consecutive run required to run here. Now let's see next pattern. Here number of rows and number of columns are same as of previous pattern, that is 5. So our inner loop and outer loop will run 5 times. Now you can also be able to judge here in this pattern using which value this pattern will print. So here in all 5 rows values are constant, that is in first row there is 5 times 5, and in second row there is 5 times 4, and so on. Only the difference here is that value first 5 is printing in first row, then 4 is printing in the second row, and so on. So the value is printing in decreasing order. So our outer loop will run 5 times, but from where it will start? It will start from 5 to 1, because in this pattern our value is starting from 5. So our code will look like this. Outer loop will look like for I is equal to 5, I is greater than equal to 1, I minus minus, and inner loop will look like j is equal to 5, j is equal to 1, j minus minus, where we are printing outer loop variable. Here with inner loop there is no such boundation, it needs to run 5 times. Either it will run from 1 to 5, or 5 to 1, or 10 to 14. It will have no impact on this pattern, because this pattern depends on outer loop variable, not inner loop variable, and work of inner loop variable is to run 5 times. Similarly, in the last pattern we can see here number of rows and number of columns are same, and outer loop and inner loop will run 5 times. Pattern is printing like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, means value is changing column wise. It means printing need to require of inner loop variable. Okay, here we can see pattern is printing in decreasing order, so our inner loop will initialize from 5 to 1. So code of this pattern will look like this. Outer loop will look like for I is equal to 5, I is greater than equal to 1, I minus minus, and inner loop will look like j is equal to 5, j is greater than equal to 1, j minus minus, where we are printing outer loop variable, that is j. Here with outer loop there is no such foundation, it need to run 5 times. Either it will run from 1 to 5, or 5 to 1, or 10 to 14. It will have no impact on this, because this pattern depends on inner loop variable, not outer loop variable, and work of outer loop variable is to run 5 times. So this video ends here. If you like this video, then please click on like button to support me. Thank you guys. Bye. See you again.